Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two minimalistic wireless lamps that this brand sent to me for the video. Yes, these are lamps. Believe it or not, these are lamps. And I have to say that these are quite nice, I have to say. Number one, these are waterproof. Yeah, that actually kind of like, wow. These are waterproof. You can take them with you outside if you want for your patio. If you're having dinner with friends or family or something outside, you can just take them with you, which I think is pretty nice, I have to say. Or you can use them as some kind of a flashlight if you need to. They come with rubber pads on the bottom, so once that you have them in place, they're not gonna move. They're not gonna be easy to move, so that's actually kind of good as well. And of course, comes with the USB-C cable for charging purposes, but these ones are gonna give you a really nice amount of battery. You turn them on super nice and easy with just the click of a button. It comes with 3 dimmable lights. So you have this other one kind of like cozy yellow, and you have this one called white. And of course, the thing that I like about this one is the button that is super easy to use, of course. So that's another nice thing. You can dim the lights perfectly, as you can see over here. So no big deal for that with operating the lights. Let's actually turn off the lights a little bit and take a closer look. So take a look at this. They're super nice and cozy. You can dim the lights, of course, but these are going to give you a really nice reading light or working light. If you're working from home, or you can take this one to the office, for example, and you don't want to bother others with a strong light, you can actually use this one, this reading light over here. Or you can use the cold white to have kind of like more detailed view of things close up. Let's actually take a closer look. So as I was telling you before, just with the click of a button, you can just turn them on and off. I'm going to turn on this one with the warm yellow, and you keep pressing and see you can dim the light, which I think it's nice too. Again, using these ones at night if you have to. And then I'm going to turn on this one. The same thing with the 3 colors, which I think these are fantastic right away. Minimalistic, wireless, rechargeable, 3 colors, and waterproof. This may be a really good one to have in your nightstand or your home office or your gaming room as well. Thumbs up, recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.